Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with the CAROTE 16-piece pots and pans set. A non-stick marvel designed to simplify your cooking experience. This set boasts an outstanding non-stick cooking surface, ensuring easy food release and effortless cleaning, thanks to its ultra non-stick coating. With even and rapid heat delivery, you can say goodbye to hot spots and enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time, whether you're boiling, simmering, or reheating. Crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum, these pots and pans are built to last, resisting wear and tear from frequent use without compromising performance. The Stay Cool handles provide a comfortable grip, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. Plus, CAROTE ensures quality with a strict multi-inspection process, and if you ever encounter any issues, their service guarantees a 100% refund or replacement. Elevate your culinary adventures with CAROTE and experience the difference in your kitchen today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.